Malawi Brief.
Nkhani yomwe inavuta ku nyumba ya malamulo masanawo ndi ya Gerald Kazembe a chipani cha MCP amene anasinthidwa pokhala mu nyumbayi. Iwowa poyamba amakhala chakutsogolo ndipo pano ali kumbuyo. Poyankhapo nkhaniyi a Richard Chimwendo Banda ati kukhala kutsogolo kapena kumbuyo sikukutanthauza kanthu koma kuti aphungu onse ndi ofunikira kotero kuti apa palibepo nkhani.
Listening. On Friday, we had a very, very good event at the BICC, whereby the Minister of Local Government launched the CDF dashboard. I believe for all that means well, that was a presentation sagaciously presented by the Minister and his entire team. He deserved a round of applause. It does take power off from the central government to the people. So I thought, as a citizen of good standing, this should not go unnoticed. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the opportunity you have given me.
Thank you, Minister of Lands. Indeed, we have always said, when something good is happening, we should all join hands and say thank you, and those words give encouragement for that person to do more. In this case, we know there's been a lot of talk on CDF, but the minister has stood his ground. He has stood by what he believes, and he's doing what he thinks will benefit Malawians better. He has not bowed down to pressure. That's one thing I like about this honorable minister. And he wants things in order because those are the instructions that came from our president, that he wants this to be transparent and the money should trickle down to its intended use. Let me introduce this minister to you. Minister of Local Government, please rise. Let's clap hands for him. We appreciate the work that you are doing, Honorable Minister. Please continue. And as Parliament, both sides of the House, we are ready to support you. Thank you. I see a point of order from the opposition whip. You have the floor, Honorable.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Is it in order that we should start our business without applauding our women that won against Egypt in Morocco? I think it's time that we give glory where it's due. Thank you so much.
Women power. Indeed, our women are doing a fantastic job. The Scorchers, we never gave them a chance, underdogs, but today they are writing history for our country. I think we should channel more resources to the Scorchers, because they will put us on the map. I don't want to compare them with others, but I think this is a team that as government, as parliament, as in Malawi, we should all support. Yes, I see, I think Honorable Minister of Gender wants to also say something. Switch on your mic, Minister. Yes, you have the floor.
Yeah, thank you very much, thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I would like to agree with the MCP whip that indeed our women are doing very well. On behalf of Parliamentary Women Caucus, I would like to request your office, Mr. Speaker, to allow few women to go and represent Parliament, Malawi Parliament, and appreciate what our women are doing out there. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Noted. But what I would encourage, while we are looking at that, is despite what happens after now, but when our team is coming, we should see a lot of MPs, both men and women, there at the airport, and I want to be there as well to welcome them and to thank them for the good job they are doing. We wish them well. Now we believe that we can bring the trophy, and I'm sure it's coming home. It's coming home. Thank you so much. Honorable members, I've been asked if we could all stand up and give a round of applause for the team that is doing miracles in Morocco. Please. Thank you very much.
Honorable Speaker, I don't think it would be good to start business today without welcoming in a special way the Deputy Leader of the House, Dr. Shadrack Namalomba. Dr. Shadrack Namalomba was involved in an accident last week, and by God's grace, he was saved. Honorable Speaker, this country has gone through a lot the week just passed. A lot of accidents happened, and a lot of people have lost their lives, including a radio presenter, a Times radio personality by the name of Yamikani Mbumba Koma. And it is from this background that I would like to welcome the Deputy Leader of the House into the House today, present with us, having escaped the accident to the House today. So I submit, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Indeed, these accidents are not sparing us. The Honorable Minister of Information was involved in a bad accident. The Honorable Chair for Natural Resources, the former Speaker, these are one after the other. We need to put them in our prayers, but also pray for the whole House and its members. Honorable Namalomba, we welcome you back. All we can say is Amen. And we wish you well. Thank you very much. Honourable members, let's move to business.
When a member of parliament speaks good about government, should be moved from the seat that he was sitting and being put away, very far away. I would like to know from you, Right Honourable Speaker, because I have in mind an honourable member who was sitting in the second row, the first seat, who spoke good about the current government when he was giving a supplementary question to the Minister of Local Government. He decorated the government, he represented his people well, and he was appreciating that this government of Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika is not choosing where to put development, but rather is spreading the development across the nation. Right Honourable Speaker, I would like to know, because now this is going to gag members. Members will be gagged, will fail to represent their constituencies well. Because when we come here, we don't come as an individual person, but we come on a capacity as a constituency. So the honorable member that has been moved from number, I should see, is it from, no, from second row to my left, that's 102. Is it in order? Second, Right Honorable Speaker, I will fail my duty if I do not relay the message that the people that I represent in this house from Blantyre City, Jijiri Misesa, if I don't pronounce myself in this house. I would like to thank the Minister of Local Government. Last weekend on Saturday, he came to Blantyre City, Chichiri Misesa, in particular Limbe Chiwembe Ward, to discharge a duty that he was sent by Professor Arthur Peter Mutalika, President of this country. That is a magnificent market that has been started to be constructed. He has laid a stone to mark the beginning of the construction of the same. And it's not only in Blantyre City, Chimisesa, but when I was passing through Chimbia, there is also another magnificent market that has been launched under the leadership of Professor Arthur Peter Mutalika. This site, when you speak like this, Malawi Congress Party, it gags the members. So is it in order that the members should be gagged? Is it in order? I thank you. I submit.
Thank you. Members, the issue was already discussed, and I did rule on that. The seating plan is entirely done by parties. That is all. That is what I can say. Only to tell you that, honourable members, let me have order. Only to tell you that the honourable member, where he was put, we have a technical problem there, the mic is not working. But we have assured him that every time he wants to speak, we can use another mic while we are sorting that one out. So that is not the problem of MCP, it is our internal problem which we are sorting out. Thank you. I see point of order. MCP Whip, you want to say something? Before Whip speaks, honour members, let me say this before I forget. There's a lot of abuse on point of orders. I have been lenient, I've given time, because Parliament is where we speak. But sometimes you are overdoing it and you are abusing point of orders. From now, let us stick to what is, you know our standing orders. There is a serious issue, you simply call for reform and we'll assist you. But standing on point of orders while you're bringing fresh issues is not allowed and will not entertain it anymore. Thank you. Yes, Whip.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker, for giving me this chance to raise the point of order. Does it mean that the members that sit at the back are not members? Does it mean that even those that sit at the back from the government side are not members in this House? Because as you have already said, it is the party that decides who should sit where. So is it in order that we should be raising that point of order for us? Thank you so much, Honourable Speaker.
I'll avoid that one. I'll avoid that one because I don't want it to be a debate. But there are reasons why there's hierarchy in a party. There's reasons why the senior members sit in the front, which we don't want to go into details. So let's leave that one at that. I see my brother also, Doa East, point of order. You have the floor.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Somebody told me that when Parliament is quiet, people don't enjoy it. So the one who brought the matter has made Parliament live. But I think we need also to laugh and smile at matters. I was just wondering whether he's sitting in front or at the back himself. So And I also wanted to tell you that the Secretary General of the party, myself, I'm sitting at the back. And I wanted to tell you that there are senior people in your side that are sitting at the back. To sit at the back does not necessarily mean that you are demeaned. In fact, it is only the ministers who, by the standing orders, are put in front. So it doesn't mean that Nsheu, my brother there, who spoke very wisely, is not important. Neither is Piso not important. Neither is... We are all important in the House. Therefore, it is up to you, Honorable Speaker, to put us wherever you want to put through our whips here. But all of us, we are equally important. In fact, you can put me at the back there, I'll be equally important. Sometimes the leadership makes changes. Just as you can play number 11, you can play number 3. Leadership looks at where can one be, where can one suit. That's what leadership does. Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Let's agree that indeed that was a tactical change. That was their tactical change. They know what they're doing. Leave it to them. Thank you. Zomba City North, point of order. That will be the last point of order for now. Zomba City North, you have the floor.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for recognizing the people of Zomba City North. I was wondering, Honorable Speaker, is it in order to mention names? Because I was wondering if we have Piso in here. I've never known Piso, so we don't have Piso in this House, Right Honorable Speaker.
I really missed that one. There was the issue of service delivery, and of course he mentioned a number of aspects that are a problem at the district hospital. So I advised, not only when we are finding out about the challenges the district hospital is facing, we are not only going to focus on bacterium, we'll look at everything that is a problem, and we'll ensure that supplies are there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister of Health. We now move to question 232. Zomba Chingale, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, and good afternoon. I rise, but on behalf of the people of Zomba Chingale, to confirm question 232 appearing on today's order paper. That indeed is from the people of Chingale. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
So you didn't want to mention your FUMUs, your TAs? Thank you. Minister of Health.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And through you, let me thank the honorable member for Zomba Chingale for his question, which is to ask my ministry whether government will consider upgrading Mambo Health Center to a community hospital. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry recognizes the critical role that community hospitals play as referral facilities for surrounding primary healthcare facilities by providing secondary healthcare services and through outreach and some specialized tertiary services. Mambo Health Center recorded an outpatient department utilization rate of 803 visits per 1,000 population between April 2025 to March 2026, making it one of the busiest health centers in Zomba district. This high utilization reflects the significant demand for health services and the need for improved referral and secondary care services in the area. The facility currently serves a catchment population of 26,356 people and is located approximately 33 kilometers from Zomba Central Hospital. It serves one of the most hard-to-reach areas in the district, characterized by hilly terrain and poor road conditions, which often limits timely access to emergency and specialized care. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would therefore agree with the honorable member that there is a compelling need to upgrade Mambo Health Center into a community hospital. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me also inform the House that I have specifically been and visited the Mambo Health Center, and everything that is said about the road network, about the population, about how busy the facility is, I'm aware of that. Mr. Speaker, sir, such an upgrade would bring secondary healthcare services closer to the people, reduce unnecessary referrals to Zomba Central Hospital, improve response, and enhance access to quality health services for the surrounding communities. The ministry's planning assessments have also shown that Mambo Health Center is strategically located to serve neighboring facilities, including Kasala Health Center, which currently is serving 24,691 population and 9 kilometers away, as well as Gawanani Health Center in Machinga District, which is about 18 kilometers away from Mambo. Upgrading Mambo would therefore strengthen the referral network and improve service delivery across the wider catchment area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm pleased to inform the House that the proposed upgrade of Mambo Health Center has been identified as one of the priority infrastructure investments. My ministry will therefore continue mobilizing resources and engaging government and development partners to support implementation of as resources become available. In addition, I would like to urge the district council and local leadership to prioritize complementary infrastructure components through the CDF where appropriate. Investments such as staff houses, access to roads, perimeter fencing, utility connections, and other supporting infrastructure can be financed through CDF to complement government's efforts and accelerate the upgrading process. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.